Pattisima project is associated with the integration of Krishna and Godavari. Government of Andhra Pradesh. Maximum irrigation potential of India is created from major project and minor project. The origin of Indira Gandhi Canal, which irrigates the Thar Desert, Harike Barrage, Punjab, extended into Thar Desert of Rajasthan, flows through Hanumangarh, Phalodi, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Sri Ganganagar. Longest canal in India, Indira Gandhi Canal, Rajasthan near Hanumangarh and originated from Harike Barrage in Punjab. What purpose is water used the most in India? Irrigation. The multi-purpose river valley project Bhakra Nangal is a joint project of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan. On which river Bhakra Nangal dam built? Satluj. Oldest hydropower station in India, Shiv Samudram. Nagarjun Sagar multipurpose project, river Krishna, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hirakud dam constructed on Mahanadi, Orissa. Damodar Valley project, Maithan, Belpahari, Tilaiya dam are constructed on Barak river. Belpahari dam is proposed on the Damodar river. Damodar Valley Corporation established in 1948. On which river did Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently lay the foundation stone for the Mandal Dam project, North Coel, Jharkhand, Plamou district. Rana Pratap Sagar hydroelectric project on Chambal river is located in the state of Rajasthan. Which two countries signed the Kosi irrigation and hydroelectric project in 1954? India, Nepal. Agriculture. Double cropping in agriculture means raising of two crops at different time. Which of the following is a way to increase productivity in agriculture? All. Efficient irrigation, quality seed, use of pesticide, use of fertilizer. Green revolution. Green revolution विश्व में इंटेंसिव हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी प्रोग्राम 1960 में. ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन इन इंडिया, एम एस स्वामीनाथन 1960 में. ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन, सेकेंड ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन इन इंडिया. To aim extending seed water fertilizer technology to areas which could not benefit from green revolution, it aims at integrating cropping with animal husbandry and social forestry fishing. Select the component of green revolution by using the given code. High yielding variety of seed and irrigation. The success of green revolution depends on availability of HYB seeds. A rainbow revolution is related to all of the green revolution, white revolution, blue revolution, red, golden, brown and the silver. Highest increase in the production due to green revolution, wheat. Rabi crops. Fourth advanced estimate, what was the total wheat production in 2021? 24-25 में 117.9 million ton. Highest wheat producing state in India, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. State producing maximum wheat in India, Uttar Pradesh. After independence, India progressed the maximum in the production of wheat. Which fertilizer will you use for wheat cultivation? Nitrogen. Kharif crops, sugarcane. Food crop in terms of cropped area, rice. Following had the highest in acreage in India, rice. Region known as Rice Bowl of India, Delta region of Krishna Godavari. Choose the correct sequence of state ascending order rice production in year 18। अभी है 24-25 में उत्तर प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, वेस्ट बंगाल, पंजाब। 5 प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट उत्तर प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, वेस्ट बंगाल, पंजाब, छत्तीसगढ़। करेक्ट राइस प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट आंध्र प्रदेश ने उत्तर प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल, पंजाब, आंध्र प्रदेश। कैश क्रॉप लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कॉटन इन इंडिया महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना अकॉर्डिंग टू द इकोनॉमिक सर्वे 24-25 3 कॉटन प्रोड्यूसिंग महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, तेलंगाना। हाईएस्ट एवरेज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कॉटन आंध्र प्रदेश। शुगर कैन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ 4 शुगर कैन प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट इन इंडिया। प्रदेश में उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक, गुजरात, तमिलनाडु। लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ शुगर कैन बिहार, उत्तर प्रदेश। शुगर बाउल उत्तर प्रदेश। ऑयल सीड मोस्ट सुटेबल क्रॉप फॉर ड्राई लैंड फार्मिंग ग्राउंडनट। टोटल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ऑयल सीड इन इंडिया इन 2013-14 43.0 मिलियन टन 24-25 में। प्लांटेशन क्रॉप कॉफी ग्रोइंग ट्री एरिया इज नॉट इन कर्नाटका, पुलुनी, वायनाड, ट्रेवनकोर एंड द नीलमपैथी region of Kerala, पुलनी हिल्स, नीलगिरी, सेवरॉय, अन्नामलाई, कोयम्बतूर region, तमिलनाडु, बाबा Budangiri located in Karnataka. Coffee was first introduced in India. Tea and rubber. Hills do not have tea plantation. Girnar. India is the best producer and consumer of pulses. India produces more than its need. Tea. India's largest rubber producer state in Kerala. Leading producer of rubber in India, Kerala. Crops sown in rainy season called Kharif, and the crops sown in winter season called Rabi. Paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton or Kharif. Green revolution, grey revolution, fertilizer. Pink revolution, onion. Silver revolution, egg. Red revolution, tomato and meat. Largest jute producing state in India, West Bengal. Which state of India is highest producer of millet? Rajasthan, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh respectively. Leguminous crop pulses. Gram, peas, अरहर, मूंग, उड़द, मसूर, बकला. Zaid crop fodder. Zaid crop watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, gherkin and various vegetable cultivated. Zaid crop watermelon, rabi, beet, mustard, barley, peas, gram. Kharif rice, paddy, maize, ज्वार, बाजरा, मूंग, उड़द, तूर. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. Cultivation of fruit and vegetable or horticulture. Not a cash crop. ज्वार. Cash crop does not consist wheat. Animal husbandry. Not a breed of Rajasthan, Mewati. Hallikar, a cattle breed in Karnataka. Tharparkar or Rati and Mewati is cattle breed of Rajasthan. Most rich state in minerals in India, Orissa, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Which state of India is called a state of minerals? Jharkhand. Two states of India most richly endowed with iron ore are Bihar, Orissa. Iron ore is not available in which of the following Indian state? Punjab. Which of the following iron ore is mined at Byaladila hematite?